Welcome to delicious no-bake flapjack bars, also known as granola bars.
These are no-bake, they'll take you 10 minutes work, they're super tasty and they're healthier. And one of the keys to eating healthier is to set up your environment where the healthy choice is the easy choice.
Woo!
And
these are based around whole food, so they really are fantastic.
these are easy for school lunches to just take the nuts out and the nut butter out and replace it with mixed seeds or a tahini or sunflower seed butter. So first step, we've 60 grams of mixed nuts.
So these are just regular almonds or cashews or whatever nuts you have, whether it's pecans or hazelnuts. We're using raw nuts here, but use whatever nuts you have, preferably not salted.
And Dave, if I wanted to make them nut-free, just use pumpkin or sunflower
pumpkin seeds are great. Pumpkin seeds are great because they're the highest source of protein of seeds. I'd use pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, and I'd roughly chop them instead. And then instead, as you said, instead of the almond or the peanut butter, just replace that with tahini. So the super handy thing about this is we're using minimal equipment. We're using a mixing bowl and a knife and a tray to set it in. So as Stephen said, these literally take 10 minutes. They're very quick, they're very easy, and you can adapt them to what you have in your own kitchen, because some of the time you mightn't have enough oats, we'll just add more nuts and seeds in it. Or if you don't have almond butter, use peanut butter. If you don't have peanut butter, use tahini. So you can really adapt.
So you don't need an oven?
Don't need an oven. No, these are no bake.
Okay, so into your mixing bowl, add in your 60 grams of chopped mixed nuts.
Great. We've got 180 grams of oat flakes or porridge oats, so those are organic ones.
And if I wanted to make them gluten-free, just use gluten-free oats.
Now you're talking, Steve.
There we are. 120 grams of nut butter or seed butter of choice.
Beautiful.
We're going almond butter.
That was almond butter, yeah. I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and this is really just to add a little bit more calories and to kind of make them a bit more satiating and to help them set. Because coconut oil at room temperature in Ireland is always
pretty solid.
It's solid, so it's saturated.
Our sweetener, we're going with 100 ml of maple syrup. You could use whatever you have in place.
So you could use, so as Stephen was saying, you could use agave syrup or date syrup or any kind of liquid sweetener, golden syrup, whatever you...
1 tablespoon of chia seed, packed full of fiber, plant diversity, and good essential fatty acids. In terms of seasoning, we're going to go with 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a generous pinch of salt. I do like the
And
salt.
that is all our dry ingredients. We literally just mix them together.
And could I, if I wanted to put cinnamon or some
orange
you
zest, or you get in cacao or coffee. If you want to make them coffee, freeze-dried raspberry, it'd be lovely.
Ooh, lovely.
You could add in some dehydrated apple. You could go to 10. Raisins might be nice in it if you like a bit of dried fruit in it. So you really can customize this base in whatever way you want. So what we want to do here is mix until all the kind of flakes, the golden flakes, turn golden.
Yeah, until they're coated with their nut butter and they've got a little bit of sweet around each one of them. So take your time, mix them well. So we're using a traditional brownie size tray. It's approximately 10 inches by 6 inches. In terms of metric, that would be 20 centimeters by around 12. Okay, we've got baking parchment to make it easier to take it out. If you scrumple it up, it makes it easier to go up the edges. Just pop it in. This will make it easier just to take it out and to slice them. Take a silicone spatula if you have one and just pour it in. We're going to use the back of a spoon to compress it. And the main reason we want to compress it is that 1, it holds its shape, compaction will help hold it together, and 2, we have a beautiful smooth division of layers. Now time to add our chocolate layer. We're using dark chocolate that's about 70% cocoa solids. Use whatever chocolate you like and whatever you're going to eat.
Obviously you don't even need chocolate, but the chocolate gives a great division of layers and it gives that sense of indulgence. We're using 200 grams of dark chocolate here. You could use 100 grams if you want to use less. That'll just give a nice fine layer. But the division of layers between the goldeny granola oaty base with the chocolatey top is really fantastic. And the wonderful thing about chocolate is that it's naturally self-level. So you just literally just swish it around and it'll kind of equally kind of coat your golden base.
Lovely. Take the back of a spoon and just smear it around, create wave.
Just makes it even more beautiful to look at. And then finally, we're going to go with a pinch of salt on top just to help.
Pinch of sea salt, it just provides contrast against the sweet. So the salt and the sweet accentuate each other, so it just makes it more...
And preferably it's a granulated
sea salt.
So we're just going to pop that in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And ladies and gentlemen, here is one we made earlier.
Oh, look at that, so beautiful. That's always my favourite bit. Oh, there we are.
There we go, beautiful. Jeez.
As kids, this was our favourite treat that Mom used to make, and she used to bake them, whereas this is literally 10 to 15 minutes done, and so easy to customise. Take a knife and decide what way you want to chop them. I'm going to go into thirds, so equal through.
Yeah, you
easier
don't want
if
any
score.
fighting.
Look at that for delicious. Super easy to make. Literally 10-15 minutes plus a little bit of setting time, and you have a delicious, simple, healthier granola bar. You'll see, look at that for beautiful. Sets perfectly once it's allowed to cool.
Really, really good.
Simple, delicious, healthier granola bar.
Let us know in the comments below how you're getting ready for back to school, back to routine, back to healthy habits. We'd love to support one another to be healthier and eat more healthier choices. So fantastic. Thank you for watching. We're the Happy Pair, Dave and Steve, identical twins, helping you to eat more veg and make healthier choices. Thanks for
Cheers,
watching. Bye.